Good morning, YouTube family and friends. This is Antoinette, and I am bringing an update of one of the plants that I had asked for some help in giving me a name. And thank you, Diane Taylor. She helped me figure out what kind of plant this is, and I'm really happy now I have a way of taking care of it and making it grow and bloom, because she informed me that it gives off beautiful white fragrant blooms in the evening. So I'm looking forward to that once I transplant it. I haven't done so yet, but as you can see, I have cut off a lot of the overgrowth. So my next job with this plant is to replant it, but it's growing new shoots and stuff for me. I'm really happy about that. Okay, now what I did was I cut off a lot of the overgrowth and I put it in this jar. I don't know why I still have this one. I thought I cut this one off. I have to cut that one off. Okay, but what I want to show you is I cut off all the overgrowth and I put it in this jar, and all of them have begun to root. And so I'm happy about that, because I'm gonna make plants for a lot of my friends and family, give them away as part of my mom's plant legacy. And one thing that I forgot to tell you was, when my mom relocated back home in I think it was 92 or 93, she brought this plant with her. So we have concluded that this plant is 25, 26 years old in this pot. She could have replanted it once, but not much. But yeah, so it's at least 25 years old. And so whoever will be getting these parts will be getting part of a 25-year-old plant, and I hope that it would make them happy, of course. So yeah, I'll let you know. I'm gonna repot it soon, in the next couple weeks when I get a chance, and I will update you on the replanting of it and how it's doing. And like I said, there's this long one here that I thought I got rid of. I thought I cut it down, but I didn't. So that's one of the things that I'll be doing. So thank you for viewing. Until next time. And again, thank you, Diane Taylor, for helping me figure out what kind of plant this is. God bless everyone. Remember to give someone a hug and a kiss. Tell them you love them and appreciate the small things. Remember to subscribe to my video, and up in the upper right hand corner, click that bell, so when I post new videos, you will be the first to know. God bless you all, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.